Whether you admit it to yourself or not, it doesn't matter. You are affected by media. Even 100+ years ago, when media was mostly print and word of mouth, everything we saw, heard, or read either shaped us, or we shaped ourselves around it. And I'm not just talking about news. I mean all media: ads, flyers, letters, books, stories, even street signs and business cards. It's all information. We learn and react to information, control the information, and you control the population. Even if you avoid media, it still affects the people who do consume it, and then those people interact with you. That, in turn, prompts changes to you, tiny or measurable, whether you're plugged in or not. But today, media isn't just powerful. It's in hyperdrive, hyper-scaled, micro-targeted, agenda-driven, all of it, including this piece of media you're consuming right now. I have an agenda. I want to launch Pressed. I want this idea to become something real. Why? Because I know I need a digital space of my own design. I need a tool for information and reach, but I don't want to trade my privacy and my sanity to get it. And I don't think I am the only one. But, putting me aside, let's look at how media used to be. We had print, then radio, then television. We had local and national sources, and sometimes a glimpse internationally. We had far fewer options than today. But even then, the information we received was refined, selected, and filtered for us. There wasn't much diversity of thought. We existed with a shared sense of facts and values, but that consensus was carefully curated. The power brokers of the day decided what we should know and what we should remain ignorant about. And access to media and its behind-the-scenes ecosystem was limited and had great barriers to entry to it. Then came the internet, and the gates blew open. Suddenly there were new websites, new tools, faster communication, and information became nearly impossible to gatekeep. We learned, we shared, we advanced for a while, until the modern power brokers figured out how to control it again. Consolidation, attention funneling, suppression and elevation. They rebuilt their towers of influence, especially through social media. Social media isn't just political. It is politics. And like politics, it affects your life, whether you engage with it or not. In fact, it's more pervasive than traditional politics ever was. From official politics, to society's culture wars, to your career and hobbies and personal and romantic lives and relationships. It's all manipulated by the false consensus and narratives of those who direct media at large, and social media in particular. The proof is simple. The fact that you're seeing this right now is proof. This affects you daily, whether you acknowledge it or not. In fact, they benefit when we deny that. But here's the thing. They haven't fully captured us the way they used to. Not yet. We can still speak, though reach is harder. We can still build, though barriers are growing. We can still connect, though their systems divide us. But Pressed, this is our first equalizer.